the rocks too. How's it going today, everyone? Creek Crawler here. Back down at Racine. Hopefully we can get some revenge on some fish. Last time I was here a couple days ago, had no fish to show for it, but look behind me, the hydra's going. Me and Sean are down here. We're gonna be throwing some swim baits. He's also got some creek chubs. He might fish on bottom for some catfish or whatever. But stay tuned for the action. Let's see if we can't catch some fish today. Let's go. Alrighty, a quick gear check. Got my medium fast action rod. I think this is 15-pound Power Pro. Got my swim bait on today, my underspin. This is the Nikko Winnow. I got the little stinger hook on as well. Hopefully that helps us catch some fish. And I got it tied to a, I believe this is a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. See how it's looking. Looks great. Hopefully we can get one on this today. We'll try some other baits and stuff. But this current is raging. This is awesome. Oh, hooked up. What we got? Smallie? Awesome. No! No! You got in that current. He was on the stinger hook too. Son of a. Winnow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Get in here, Shaw. Get in here. Hold on. Look at the smallie real quick. Come on. I think it was. Got him? So good? I hit pretty hard. Oh, nice. You gonna boat flip him? Dude, I'm tired of you. Get on my fish, man. I'm over here trying to catch him. I did tell you it was there. Here you go, buddy. Hooked up. Feels nice. Ooh. Got here. Largemouth. Boat flip. There we go. And held the Winnow. These river fish fight like nothing else, man. There you go, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right in the zone. Ooh. I just got hammered, dude. Felt little, but rock. Ooh, nice smallie, Sean. Nice 14-incher, 13, 12. Looks like I get closer. Heck yeah, man. Hooked up. White bass, I think it was like that big. All right, Sean tied on a 4-inch gulp minnow. I'm gonna put on a little crankbait. These fish seem to be hovering around the 4 to 6 feet range, and this guy dives right in there, so all you're unsnagged up.
Snags.
Did you get it out?
Yeah.
That's good.
Make a bottom contact.
Yeah. If you ain't on bottom, you ain't fishing, dude. All right, let's see what the square bill can do. I'll go to your left.
Yep.
Because I want to fish this pocket back here. Get some bottom contact with that square bill. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Right off the rocks too. That's a smallie. Yeah, I'd like to get him up. It's not giant by no means, but bounced right off the rocks. Heck yeah, dude. Another species. I will take it. Right there on the little KVD, square bill. Thought I was gonna get snagged, but ended up bouncing off the rocks and picked up a nice little small jaw. There you go, buddy. Sean's hooked up on the gulp minnow. Kind of, jeez.
Little rod, whatever.
Little rod. Little jigging rod. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to force them anyway. Was that on bottom?
Yeah.
Did you felt him hit it pretty good?
Kind of bump it.
Thump it. That might be what you want then.
I don't know what the heck this is.
Hybrid.
Isn't there hybrid?
I think so.
Yeah.
One of your biggest. Let's go. That was heavy, dude. On bottom with the gulp minnow.
Yeah. Bottom bouncing the gulp.
That might be one of your. It's about the same size we were catching. Look at that, man. Crushed.
Oh, and it fell out.
It fell right out.
That's a good one, dude.
That's a thick one, man. Let me throw him in. Sean's nice hybrid on the gulp minnow. What kind of jig head do you have on there? Just a quarter ounce round head. There we go. That's where I caught my big walleye, man. Right off that point. A little jerk bait. Hooked up. Nice one. Nice, Sean. Crushing it down there, dude. Gulp minnow's doing work. Looked a lot bigger when he first jumped. Yeah, I was like, oh god. Get the net. There we go, man. Heck yeah.